Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into cartoon art in Photoshop using a quick 2-minute method that beginners can follow easily. If you want to create fun profile pictures, YouTube thumbnails, or stylized artwork, this simple technique will give your photos bold outlines and vibrant colors that look like digital illustrations. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which filters and adjustments create the cartoon effect. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides. First, open your image in Photoshop. Go to File, click Open, and select the photo you want to transform into a cartoon. Portrait photos usually work best because the subject is clear and the face details stand out nicely. Once the image loads into Photoshop, you'll see it appear as the background layer in the Layers panel. This will be the base for the effect we're about to build. Next, duplicate the layer so the original image stays protected. Press Ctrl-J on your keyboard or Command-J if you're on Mac. You'll now see a second layer appear above the background layer. Working on a duplicate layer is a good Photoshop habit because it allows you to experiment with filters and effects without permanently changing the original photo. Now, we're going to create the cartoon outlines using a built-in Photoshop filter. Go to the top menu, click Filter, then choose Filter Gallery. Inside the Filter Gallery, open the Artistic folder and select Poster Edges. This filter is great for cartoon effects because it simplifies colors and adds bold edge lines around shapes. For the settings, start with edge thickness around 2 or 3, edge intensity around 1 or 2, and posterization between 2 and 4. These values usually produce a clean comic-style look, but feel free to adjust them depending on your image. When you're happy with the preview, click OK, and Photoshop will apply the effect to the layer. Once the outlines are in place, the next step is boosting the colors so the image looks more like cartoon art. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and choose Vibrance. Increase the Vibrance slider somewhere between +40 and +60. Then increase saturation slightly, usually around +10 to +20. Cartoons typically have brighter and stronger colors than normal photos, so this adjustment helps push the image toward that illustrated style. Click OK once the colors look vibrant but still natural. For an extra cartoon feel, we can smooth the skin and surfaces slightly. Go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Surface Blur. This filter reduces small texture details while keeping the main edges sharp, which helps create that painted illustration appearance. Try a radius between 15 and 20, and set the threshold between 10 and 15. Watch the preview as you adjust the sliders until the skin and flat areas look smoother, but the outlines remain visible. Click OK to apply the blur. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've transformed a regular photo into colorful cartoon art using simple Photoshop tools. You can experiment further by combining this effect with cutout filters, background colors, or comic-style text to create thumbnails, avatars, or social media graphics. The more images you try this on, the better you'll understand which settings produce the best cartoon look. If this video helped you learn something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.